What's up, everybody? Back here with another quick video.
Shut up, bro, shut up!
If you couldn't already tell by this laying here, today we are installing an MBRP 3-inch Cat-Back. When I purchased this truck, I was told it had an exhaust. As you can see, it does have some dual tips there. Getting under the truck and looking further, I noticed the existing exhaust is pretty rough. I've obviously already taken off where the Cat-Back connects, but yeah, so needless to say, she needs an exhaust.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So a combination of the exhaust leak under the cab as well as duals on the Tacoma, this thing sounds pretty bad. I posted a TikTok video and everybody said MBRP or Carvin. I listened to the two. The Carvin sounded okay, but I noticed the tone sounded a little more stock with the MBRP. And by stock, I mean pitch. Obviously, this is going to be much louder than a factory muffler. So as I've obviously already done, we are going to disconnect the Cat-Back there at the Y-pipe. Two 9/16 bolts holding that on. We're going to reuse those bolts. Now with MBRP, like my Duramax, you will notice with the short bed, you do have to shorten this pipe. Next in line will be the muffler to the over axle and then our tip. So really nothing to it, just two pipes, a muffler, and a tip. Now, of course, you'll need a hanger removal tool or a big flathead screwdriver if you don't want to make that part store trip. Now that we've got that out of the way, as with every exhaust install, we're going to make sure we start this thing up with as little exhaust as possible and get the pipes that we need to work with all hot.
Get a load of this guy.
You stupid. You stupid.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
So in my case, the next step actually ended up being to slice my exhaust in about 10 different ways. It was all wrapped around the rear end, the spare, pretty jank, so it was a pain to get out. Obviously, that means the exhaust is installed, and we're here on the next day. Once I had the old exhaust out, the new exhaust probably took me 20 minutes to get in. Like I said, we're going to come off the factory Y-pipe to the muffler, over axle, that polished tip. So if I haven't bored you into leaving the video already, we'll get to what you came for. Now, if the idles drop down, we'll go ahead and rev it. Honestly, I don't think there's any saving a 3.5's exhaust, but you guys recommended it, and I went ahead and tried it. So now I'll let you guys be the judge. Did the MBRP fix this truck?